feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To eliminate cigarette smoke quickly, employing a multifaceted approach is most effective. Start by opening windows to enhance ventilation and using fans to disperse the smoke. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can capture smoke particles from the air efficiently. For lingering odors, activated charcoal or baking soda can absorb unwanted smells, and washing fabrics and cleaning surfaces with vinegar or ammonia-based solutions can help remove residual smoke residue. Candles and essential oil diffusers can also be used to introduce pleasant scents, masking any remaining smoke odor.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.